Hello guys, we a lot of time we have to extract data from Google Map like this, as you can see. So today I had to extract some data from Google Map too. I had to find some auto repair shop in a specific area. So what I did, I went to Google Map, I searched these auto repair shop by their category. Now it's a hectic job to extract every information from here. For example, to I want to extract their name, their website, their map address, their phone number. These four are the initial necessary information that I need to extract from here. Now going through copying each of them and pasting them into Google Sheets or Google Docs, whatever you are using, is a hectic job, but you can do it easily. How? You go to the extension option like here, and just go to the manage extension, write down instant you write down instant data extractor, instant data scraper. See, so find this extension, uh, add it to your extension section as I did already, and then go to the Google Map again. Now what you want to do is you have to scroll all the way down so you get all the details loaded in your screen. Load all the data, go down at the very bottom of your search result. You want to see this one, you have reached the end of the list. Now what you want to do is you want to go to your extension and click this one, instant data scraper, and you get all the results that you are looking for. They are automatically extracted, automatically listed. Everything you will find here. See, everything is here. Now download the CSV file, close the window, go to Google Sheets, open a new form. Okay, I had a saved form here. Go to that one, whatever you like. Open your file, click import, go to upload. Now you have to browse it, right? What you can do is you go straight here, find your, paste it here, and now click insert new sheet, then click import data. Easy as that. You'll find all the details that you are looking for here. Now edit some information, delete some columns to make it look neat and clean, and you have your file ready. That's it. Thank you so much.